Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on WhatsApp do not disturb mode. Now the first thing is open up your WhatsApp, and now we're here. The next thing is this: most of us don't actually have a particular feature called do not disturb, but if it gives you other options, like you can mute those particular chats you do not want info from. You can just tap on the mute here, and you can mute them for 8 hours, 1 week, or always have them muted. Depends on you. Now you can do that. You can also tap on to the top right corner, tap on settings, take it to notifications, tap on notifications, and then you can edit notifications here by turning everything off. And if you turn it off, you won't get notifications until you open the app. So that's it. Or you can decide to follow the normal way, which is to use your Android settings right up here, pull it down, go to do not disturb, and make sure it is on. And once it is on, even if messages come in, chats and pop-ups, it won't actually show until you open the app. You can also use focus mode. If you don't want to use do not disturb, you can also use the focus mode, which is the second one here. When you use the focus mode, you now set the time, work time, mean time, start it. And once you do that, don't forget to edit it, and then you set the time from what time to what time you want it to silence all notifications for you. So those are the ways you can enable do not disturb on WhatsApp.